Breathe in deeply, breathe out slowly, and be relaxed. With each breath, begin to imagine a cascade of relaxation flowing down the body.
I discovered Master Gohring School because I was looking for a place to really understand Tai Chi. When I met Master Gohring, I realized this guy knows what he's doing.
I kind of had pictures in my mind of people in the park doing Tai Chi, and I was seeking a martial art to study because I have a very high stress job. So my blood pressure had gotten very high and my docs were talking to me about medication. I didn't want to do that. I wanted to find a natural way to get my own body back under control.
One of the things that drew me to Tai Chi was the fact that I'm super high strung in type A and I need to chill. And the people who do Tai Chi tend to really have internalized that ability to breathe and relax and just move through things.
I may be thinking a lot of things and projecting a lot of energy, but the minute I start to do any of my forms or do any of the practice, I immediately become centered, very quiet, which is great when you're a person who has a lot of anxiety and there's often a tape constantly running through your brain. It's one of the few times a day where that tape is actually off. And when that's off, you'd be surprised at what you can do.
I don't have to worry about stress anymore. Do I have stress? Absolutely. But when I do get stressed out, I go back to that place. Relax your mind and be able to focus on what you're doing and move deliberately. Move your body deliberately. Move your mind deliberately, move your breath deliberately.
When I first started, I remember one of the things that stood out to me. It was the journey of 1,000 miles begins with one single step. And that just is mirrored through just everything in my life. You know, you just keep showing up and you can accomplish great things.
With Tai Chi, it's the combination of body, mind, and spirit. And that whole exploration, and how do I align those things to really create and move the way I want to, that to me is fascinating, and I've learned how to do that here.
I have increased stamina, my core body strength is better, my blood pressure is much lower, and my tension level is lower.
I can tell you that after 2.5 years now of doing Tai Chi, I have totally turned my health around. My lifestyle has improved, my awareness. So all the things I was seeking in Tai Chi I found.